So I spent a full day wearing my lace fronted hair topper from UniWigs, the Featherlight. It's now 10 PM, so I've had this on for 14 hours. I put it on at 8 o'clock this morning, and I just want to show you how easy it is to remove. So the lace front has been stuck down using double-sided tape, and all I do to remove is simply obviously unclip the clips. And then what I'm going to do is just pop my fingers under the edge of the lace, which wasn't glued down. And I'm just going to lightly pull it like so. Did catch a couple of my hairs, but only ever so slightly. And then take the top off. You can see the oh, actually the tape has actually come straight off my head. It's actually on the topper still. Sometimes it comes off and the tape stays on my head. Sometimes it comes off and the tape's on the lace front. But let me show you. So just grab a piece of that tape and put it like so. And you can see there's no residue. It's not sticky at all. It's really easy to remove, and if any of the hairs get slightly stuck, then it doesn't end up pulling any of the hairs out because it's not too tacky. So there we go. And that's it, removed, and it's all ready to go again for wear tomorrow after a brush.